Let's talk about Amalfi Coast boat tours. An Amalfi Coast boat tour is one of the best things to do in the Amalfi Coast, if not the best. It offers the most unbelievable views. It's so relaxing. It's a great way to see all the different Amalfi Coast towns. I would absolutely not go to the Amalfi Coast without doing a boat tour. In general, there are two different kinds of Amalfi Coast boat tours that you can book. The first is shared. That means you're in a small group, usually up to around 12 on the boat, all going, of course, to the same places. The second is private. The benefit to the private group is that you get to pick everywhere you go. So if you wanted to go to, let's say, Furore, get out, swim around, you don't have to worry about if the rest of your boat wants to do that or not. The benefit of the shared all group tour is that it's dramatically cheaper. So a shared group tour is usually like 100 to 200 per person, whereas the private boat starts at around $1,000 and goes up from there. And in general, for destinations, there's two different options. There's an Amalfi Coast boat tour, which goes along different towns of the Amalfi Coast. The second is to Capri, which is an island off the coast of Naples, not far from the Amalfi Coast. Usually the tours are full day. There are also some sunset tours, which are just a few hours. I highly recommend doing a full day tour. On my website, seakanani.com, there are recommendations for a handful of different tours, all departing from different towns. To get there, you can go to my profile. Then you are going to click this link, seakanani.com/TikTok. Then you're going to click right here for a list of all the Amalfi Coast boat tours I recommend. Hope that helps. Make sure to like and follow for more Amalfi Coast tips.